Hello, everyone. This is Tina, and welcome back to Genetic Fire Crystal X. I'm making this video because I want to explain how excited I was to find Zoom, which is a wonderful tool. And before I even tried this, I didn't know how to share my screen. I knew how to make videos, but I didn't know how to make them properly. Um, the only experience with videos that I had was when I was working in South Korea and they were taking the video and not me, which of course it's always very good. And also the easiest way was that while I was speaking, I was in the studio, I could see myself on the screen, so I could actually adjust properly. I was looking at the camera and actually seeing myself, which was very easy for me to figure out what I look like, if I looked okay or not. At this point, I'm looking at my webcam, which is right there. I'm not even looking at myself. I can hardly see myself because I'm making eye contact with the webcam. And of course, the webcam is much better than just using my regular laptop cam. Okay, so let's get down to business. This is about Zoom. All right, so I'm going to share the screen and tell you exactly what's going on here. Okay, as you can see, I would like to thank, I guess, Louise Henry, previously Solopreneur Sidekick, for this wonderful video. I came across her while I was looking for ways to do this, and she has a wonderful video. I'll post it in the link downstairs, actually in the description downstairs, if you're interested, or if you can just see right now on what this is. And she did a wonderful job talking about Zoom, and this is where I found out about Zoom. Thank you very much, Louise. Just wanted to really be appreciative of all the people on YouTube who have um, put up information about anything. So here it is to you, Louise. Okay, and as you can see the screen very well. And let's see here now. This is my channel, or our channel. Robert, my husband, is doing this, but of course I will be the person who will be posting and doing all of this. He's busy doing something else. So this is our channel. Recently I've been working on the logo. I had to change the logo. Long story. This is not why we're here. This is basically, you can see how to do stuff, how things are working. Okay, what else? You can go to zoom.us and then sign up for free. And you can get, as far as I know, here you can see what you get for free. It says host up to 100 participants, unlimited one-to-one meetings, and so on. So you can get this information if you sign up for free. Of course, if you get bigger groups of people, you can get the pro, and so on and so forth. But you can see here, Zoom for education, Zoom for telehealth, and Zoom for developers. So I'm in education. So this is what it's been my job for 19 years. So that's why I'm so excited about it, because I can make presentations, PowerPoint presentations, put them on YouTube, and they look okay. I mean, they're not as professional as other videos, but I'm very happy to be doing what I'm doing with Zoom. So that's all. I'm very excited about Zoom. Thank you very much, for listening to me, and of course for seeing this firsthand. And thanks a lot to Louise. Okay, and please go and click on our channel. As you can see here, you can click on things. Hello, everyone. I am Tina. And I'm Robert. That's right. That's Tina and Robert. You can see them here, getting to know your teachers or tutors online. Okay, so you can see, you can actually hear everything. Okay, if you buy yourself a good microphone and good webcam that's higher resolution, you'll be set to go and do the same thing. I don't intend to have like a special, you know, what would you call it, like whiteboard or blackboard. I don't intend to do this, but I really love this Zoom. So, okay, so now let's stop sharing and get back to me. So, okay, everyone, thanks very much for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you are learning something new. For those people who are learning English, please let me know how this is helping you. I'm sure it's helping you with your listening, and and just let me know. Leave a comment, anything. Bye.